Amante, ¿qué quieres zapate?
¿No?
Hay que esquipear zapate.
¿Qué?
Hay que esquipear zapate. Vamos.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. I had to set up. I had to make the whole setup. You know, I'm a superhero. All right, let's do it. Let's do this. I'm gonna share my screen with the. I'm doing here. Okay, cool. There you go. No, we're good. All right. Yeah. All right. All right, everyone. Let's get started here. All right. Cool. Right. Thank you, Equinix, for letting me use the booth and showcase the platform here. So, how many developers? How many DevOps we have here? Developers. DevOps. There you go. How painful is being a DevOps? So, just I'm gonna make this really quick. I'm just gonna do a quick demo. I'm gonna do a trivia so you can, enter in the raffle to win a Lego. Right. I want to test your skills. Right. So you might think, what the hell means that I didn't start recording? Why am I doing it? Anyways, so you might see like, why am I wearing a cape? Why am I thinking I'm a superhero? And the whole point is that what we're trying to do with Cuemby is actually make every developer a DevOps superhero. So instead of you having to, learn the whole learning curve in a second, you can basically get your feet on the water, be able to deploy fast, and and as you grow, as you learn, then you can get more of the platform. So this is actually our platform called Cuemby Cloud Platform. Of course, you have to be Cuemby on the name. Why not? And I'm gonna show you something really cool. So here you can manage multiple organizations and all that, like any other platforms are cool. But the coolness here is that you can now basically deploy really fast applications, and all you have to know is like you link your repository, and then you just click deploy. And this is how it works. I'm gonna show you an application that I had before, because yesterday I was doing the demo. Internet didn't play with me well, so I'm gonna do something different today. Here it is. So we go into applications, right? An application for us is like a template. So you prepare like my application. I don't know. It's a Node.js app. It's a Go app. Whatever you want. You just set it up real quick, and from that point on, you just select the branch that you want to deploy. So I have two here. I have the weather app v2, and I have the weather API v1. So what that means is like when you set it up, all I told him is like, the repository is on my personal repo, is the weather app repo, and I give it some simple configuration. I'm gonna show you in a second how that looks like. All right, let's go create. Let me make this smaller, and I'm gonna call it, of course, weather app v3. I'm gonna select an integration. I want to show you in a second how you can get it from, and I'm gonna say it's Angel Ramirez. That's my handle. You can follow me on GitHub. I'm gonna pick the repository. It's called weather app, right? And then I'm just gonna say I want to expose this application to the world, right? So I'm gonna click external. But if you want it as an API, you just click internal, and that's it. All this application, all this system is basically built on top of Kubernetes. So whatever you have a Kubernetes cluster, it will work. Now, if you don't know how to even containerize an application, don't worry. We use also build pack, so you can just say yes, pick the language that you want, and you're good to go. So we basically want to reduce the burden of like understanding DevOps and containerization and all that and Kubernetes. We want to just make it super easy. In this case, I do already have a Docker file, so let's just keep this one for now. I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna say this one runs in 8080. I remember that. And here I just gonna pick like how am I want to scale this application. If this application take off and I'm making a lot of money, I want to scale from 1 to like 200. Who cares? Or I can go to 20 so I don't break the cluster. It won't break. It's running on Equinix, so I'm just joking, right? So I'm gonna select the type of instance that I want. It's gonna be medium or small because I don't want to waste resources. I'm gonna hit create, and with that now I had to take this off. Sorry. I can barely see. All right, with that now I have my template. That's all I need for now. So I'm gonna go and create a new environment, right? I got developer staging, and of course, as great developers, we always go straight to production. There you go. That's how we do it. Come on, come on. We do production right straight, right? That's not how it works. So we're gonna give it a second. So this is preparing the whole system behind the scene, making sure that the application, sorry, all the rules that we use are set up properly. For example, just to give you an idea, behind the scenes we're using a lot of the projects that you see out there in the showcasing. So what we're doing here is making sure that you don't have to learn all of them at once, like Argo, how do a service mesh, how use Cilium, all that rules we're doing behind the scene. And I knew the internet is gonna play me, so there you go. Oh, we got it. There you go. And then I go and click create runtime. Runtime is actually deploying, right? So let's just hit create. I'm gonna now select the application that I already create. That's my template. And once I check that everything looks good, yeah, it sounds about right. Perfect. Let's click next. And I'm gonna select the repository that I wanna deploy. Main, TCP environment, production, and let's go. So while this is happening, give me 1 second. I just want to make sure that everything goes well. There you go, perfect. Let's hit the timeline. I want to show you something really cool because behind the scenes, like I said, we're using a lot of the CNCF projects. So the pipeline, for example, we heavily use Tecton. So this means that if you, let's say, along the way, get really good on Tecton and you want to add, go ahead and do it. We actually open sourcing this project. We're working with the to-do group to make sure that we do it properly. So if you want to contribute, you want to be part of it, hit me up and we can get you logged in. So while this is deploying, I want to show you one that is already running so you can see the application. And there you go, anytime soon. I'm probably gonna hit the one that is not running. There you go. It's not. It's good actually because we now have to say weather. Right, and then we take city, and we're gonna say Chicago. Why not? Chicago. There you go. Yes, chilling in Chicago. Why not? Right. So the whole purpose here is that we want, like I say, we want to reduce the time that takes anyone to actually use DevOps skills in any time. So basically, this is the project that we're doing right now. Any questions so far? Yes, actually. So what I was showing you is we have the version like is everything pre-configured, so you can just use it. But if you say, Angel, for me, a small is less than that or more than that, you can go ahead and change it. At the end, everything is Kubernetes space. We're just giving you the whole cookbook, so you don't have to like worry about it. But yeah, you can basically swap even project. Let's say that you say, you know what, I want to use Flux instead of Argo. Go ahead. What we're doing behind the scenes, we're building operators that takes all these projects and creates a glue. So you can just use them, and then you can basically modify as you want. Any other question? Cool. All right, cool. So let's do something here interesting. We can double check if. Oh, actually, to your question, this is a pretty good one. Um, so the certificates, we generate certificates for you. And in this case, for this poster version that we have, we plugged in with Cloudflare. So we basically go into Cloudflare, create the certificates, and inject the certificates right into the pod. So it's end-to-end encrypted. Not just the flex part, we're actually doing the entire certificate from point to point, right? Now, if you say, I don't want to use Cloudflare, I want to use Google certificates or Amazon certificates at the end, our operator is communicating with the Cert Manager. So you don't have to learn Cert Manager right out of the box. You can just say, I want to use the Google Certificate Manager, and basically that creates a plugin, and you get the same benefits just with different providers. So that's kind of what we're doing. It's kind of like platform engineering, but made it easy, like kind of like working as Legos. That's what we're doing at the platform. So this is like gonna take a second to deploy. Like you can see here, all the steps that we do on the Tecton, we basically showcasing here. So let me show you some logs. Well, everything goes well, so there's not much errors here. So if there's an error in any step, you will see an error there. But I mean, it worked. Sometimes I wanted to fail, but it didn't. Cool. So this is the demo that I have prepared for you. I wanted to go into like changing the repository and all that, but it might take a little longer than the time that I have. But what I want to do now is I want to play a game with all of you. Let's play a game. Instructor pace. There you go. And continue. Is this the way that I'm supposed to start? There you go. There you go. Cool. So do me a favors. Join this. This is the code, and we're gonna be playing a cool game. It's like trivia, where we're gonna be testing your development DevOps skills. Of course, that's the whole point. You need to earn your superpower, man. Infrastructure. I'm a nerd infrastructure. There you go. Actually, you can see all the staff. They all have different superpowers. At Cuemby, we believe that DevOps requires a lot of work. I'm actually an infrastructure engineer that has to learn DevOps, so I know how hard it is because sometimes we think like, oh, let's install Kubernetes. Cool. It's not just that simple, right? So you have to do a lot of work, and the secret is when you have to do automation, or you have to make sure that you get observability. All right, so what happened if I now have to replace the whole entire environment and do it again? So infrastructure as code. So there's a lot of skills as DevOps that we need to learn, and what we're trying to do here is like give you a head start, and as you learn them, then you can just use the project and basically enhance those skills. So that's kind of what we're doing here. All right, I'm waiting one more minute. Let's do it. Let's do it. I want to know. I want to know. Yeah, go ahead. I want to know how much you know. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, join. Come on. Don't be ashamed. Come on. Don't be afraid, man. Join. Join. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. So it's joinmyquiz.com. Put the code right there, and let's do it. All right. One more minute, and I'm closing. All right, so while you're joining, I'm gonna give you the rules of the game. So it's 12 questions, only 12, right? Some of them has only 1 point, some of them worth 2 points, some of them worth 3 points, and there's a couple of them that I squeezed that are actually worth 5 and 7 points. That means that if you miss one, don't worry, you can get back up into the game. But there is a caveat, of course. It's time. So everything is like 10 seconds and 20 seconds. So think fast. Yesterday we basically were like breathe. There you go. So let's do it. Ready? One more? Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna give 1 minute. I had to get going. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ready? We're helping us out. There you go. One. Oh, one more. Okay. Okay, just one more. There you go. So just to give you a heads up, yesterday was like very, very tight. Like tight. Like, it was like a split difference between like it was like 2, 3 points between them. That's it. That was the only difference between the first one and the second place. So all right. So let you know, the first play will basically win the Lego Atari. Love it. I want to keep it though. And we have some teachers here for the reminder of the stuff that is winning. So you still can win. Ready? Ready? Who said ready? There you go. Hey, there you go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Start. All right. We got it. First question. Oh, I don't know the answer. All right. Which version control system is most commonly used in DevOps? All right. This is easy. That's easy. Come on. That's easy. There you go. All right. Time's up. There you go. Let's see. Who's good at? There you go. Okay, let's do it. Ready for the next one? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, I'm nervous. Okay, continuous integration and continuous development. Our is that aim to? I don't know the answer. Do you know the answer? I have no idea. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just here. Hold on, there you go. All right. Let's see who's claiming the first spot in the second push. Oh, Samir. Samir, who's Samir? You? Oh, there you go. All right, there you go. I see, I see. It's tight. There you go. 2-1, go. All right. DevOps encourage shorter deployment cycle that knows as dashes. Oh no, I know that wasn't dashes. All right, let's see. Ooh, you have to think fast, man. Let's do it. Next one. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Let's go. And what does AIAC stand for in DevOps? All right, stands for in-app computing. I know. Sorry, my bad. I know. Infrastructure as code. There you go. Who's challenge bot? All right, so let's do it. I had to do it. There you go. There you go. 2, 1, go. Which Q&A feature allows you to manage application configuration independently of the container image. Which one? Oh, I don't know. Samantha, which one? There you go. Good boy. All right, and we got who's challenge bot? Who's challenge bot? Challenge bot? Who's challenge bot? No one? Okay. All right. So we have a bot working here. Who's doing AI behind the scenes? That's not good. All right, let's do it. No generative AI here, please. In Q&A, what is a node? What is a node? I don't know, but something. It's actually something. I guess. Time's up. There you go. Someone didn't answer. All right, let's do it. And ooh, sup? Who's sup? There you go. He's coming. All right, so I didn't say this. I waited all the way to halftime. You actually win more points if you answer faster than the other one. So even if you had the same answer, the faster you punch it, great. Now we can all blame it to the internet, right? Because latency. I mean, it's not running Q&A, it's the internet. So sadly. All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Equinix Meta provides what type of cloud computing resources? What's it? You tell me. All right, you tell me. I'm thinking about virtual server. How are you? Yeah, I think so, right? All right, provides bare metal service. I'm subbing here. Something, something that I want to share. Like one of the platform that I just showcased is actually running on top of bare metal service here at Equinix. We actually find out there is a lot of performance that we gain when running Q&As on bare metals. I mean, this is our choice. That doesn't mean that it's the only one, but actually we got a lot of performance. So just a fun fact. Next one. Oh, we're getting close to the end. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, what's the main advantage of Equinix metal bare metals resources? I just said it. Woo! Oh, oh, I should. I just said it. All right, time is almost up. 2, 1, go. All right, time's up. You got it right? I sell Equinix, I should get it right. All right, who's challenged bot? Who's challenged bot? Raise your hand. I want to know who's in the first place so far. Who's challenged bot? No one? So someone is winning and he's not here? You have to be here to win. Hey Dan, how you doing, my friend? Awesome. I just make it here. Let's do it. Next one. Probably someone online. So sorry if he's online. I can't keep it. It costs too much. Equinix is known for integrated ecosystem. What does this facilitate? All right. All right. So is it the what? All right. It's one more. One more. Time's almost up. Oh my god. There's 2-1. We're missing for 2 answers. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Who got it right? Who got it right? Who got it right? Yeah, good. Okay, that Challenge Bus is winning, but I don't know who's like. So, fun fact about the high speed connectivity. Equinix Meta not only works with Equinix Meta, also connects to any cloud provider if you want to take advantage of that. And actually does it to a high connectivity fiber. So I actually tested out, worked pretty cool. And you also have multi-cloud strategy if you want to actually run something that doesn't fall. No one thought like, hey, there's gonna be cloud providers, having outages. There's a lot of, which is okay because I mean there's a lot of high demand on computing, so we have to make sure that whenever you're creating an infrastructure, it has high availability and reliability. So actually I like that feature that I can use Equinix and connect with anything else and basically get the whole multi-cloud strategy and basically have a big win. There you go. Next one, we almost done. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't do it. Equity Meta often to the glow reach, but after the services does this describe. All right, that's easy. That one is easy. That one is easy. Yeah, should be easy. Which one? Which one? Hey. Damn it. So he actually got it wrong. So yeah, worldwide data centers. It's spread across multiple regions and locations across the globe, which actually provides a great way to spread your workloads everywhere. All right, one second. Together. All right, 2 more questions, and we're almost done. I want to know who's challenge spot, man. There you go. What Cuemby purpose to build Cuemby Cloud Platform? I just said at the beginning. What's the purpose that we build the platform? And the answer is to dance all night long. Oh yeah. Oh, that no, sorry, that's what I was doing last night. Sorry. Sorry. All right. It's to unleash the inner DevOps in every superhero. There you go. Nice. Oh, I see Mauricio over here. There you go. All right. Last question. Who's ready? Who's ready? There you go. I want to know who's challenge spot. For sure. All right, last question. For 100 points. No, I'm just kidding. All right, what's Cuemby values proposition? All right. Reduce, faster, help, what? What? Oh my god, 10 seconds. 9, 70, 5, 4, 3, and time up. Who's the winner of the challenge? Challenge bot. Who's challenge bot? Is it here? Is it online? I don't know who's challenge bot. Oh, let's take him down because I don't know who's it. So who's Denzel? Oh, my friend. There you go. That's how you do it. Cool. All right. Let's get this up. Picture. Don't leave. You have t-shirts here. Oh, wait. Oh, I should give him the cake. The cake. Give me a cake. He unlocked all the superpowers. There you go. There you go. Are you ready? 1 second. 1 second. God, superpower. All right, my friend. There you go.
You're kidding.
You just become a superhero.
Look, if you're gonna get that, you have to dress like that.
Well, you can deploy. I don't know about flying.
See, I love Cuemby more than anything.
Woo!
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
Now you rock that cape all the way down.
Yeah, thank you so much. That was busy.
Thank you.
That was good again. Another
Thank you.
good one. Thank you.
Oh, everyone, thank you so much. Big hearts. Love you all.